Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm happy.
Okay. Have you eaten
Yes.
breakfast? Yes. Okay, very good. All right, Anvi. Do you have your workbook with you? Hmm? Okay, go get your workbook and grab a pencil also.
Yeah.
All right, Anvi. Okay, turn the page on page 2, Unit 0. We will continue checking your homeworks.
Yeah.
All right, very good, Andy. Okay. Okay, on page 2, we are now in exercise 4. Find and write. Look at activity 3. Okay, let me zoom it out a bit so you can see our previous activity, which is this. We have complete the puzzles on activity 3. So we have now another puzzles to complete. Okay, find the letters above the numbers. Write the letters above and same numbers in the questions below. Then read the message. Okay, and you just tell me, oops, just tell me the letters
Dapat
you can
namli.
see on the screen. Okay? Okay, Anvi?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, what is your answer again for this unscrambled world word? Sorry, word.
Summer.
Summer. Okay. So did you write your answer in your workbook?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now tell me what is the letter
S.
in number 2?
S.
Okay, how about the here? Number 2. Look here.
E.
Yes, E. So we were going to put it in here. E. Okay, and B? Okay, write it down in your workbook also. How about number 3? Where is number 3?
Number.
Huh? Okay, wait, I can see it. Where is number
Um.
3?
Um.
Huh? Oh,
Um.
okay. What letter is it from here? What
Yeah.
letter did you write here? L?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we have L. Okay, how about number 4? Here.
C.
C. Okay, C. Number 5.
Nói viết kiểu gì á?
Number 5. What number is it? What letter is it?
Oh.
Hmm? Oh, very good. O. Number 6.
Mm.
What letter?
Mm.
M. Very good. Okay, finally, number 7.
Mm.
Letter
Mm.
E. Okay. All right now, number 8. What letter is it? And number 8. Hmm? What letter is it? Number 8.
Tell my pencil.
Huh? What happened to your pencil?
Mm.
Nó có người yêu bà tuổi nào cũng quay đít về bà
Bỏ nha.
sắp về rồi con mới thương bà.
What happened with your pencil?
Cô sao dậy sao lại chạy ra đây?
Út chi.
À thế à?
Út chi cái ngồi. Ừ.
Okay, Andy, welcome back. How about in letter number 8? What letter is it? What letter did you write? Hmm?
E.
What letter?
E.
Is it E?
No.
Okay, what is it? Letter? Or did you say T or E? T?
E.
Okay, very good. T. I misheard. I thought you said E. Okay, and number 9. What letter did you write in number 9?
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
okay. Write it also. Okay, and we write it down in your workbook, okay? All right, number 10. What letter is it? Huh?
Oh. Oh.
O. Oops. O. Number 11.
No.
Hmm?
You.
U. Okay, number 12.
R.
R. Very good. Okay, now number 13.
E.
C. Okay, 14. 14. Number 14.
L.
L. Very
L.
good. 15.
E.
A. Very good. All right. 16. 16. Almost finished.
Yes.
Okay, letter S. Very good. Okay, number 17. Last one.
A.
S. Okay, so how do you read it? How do you read it? Welcome.
Welcome to our class.
Very good. Welcome to our class. Okay, well done, Andy. Did you write it also in your workbook, this one? Did you write it in your workbook?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. So welcome to our class. Okay, very good, Andy. Now turn the page. Turn in the next page. Okay, now
Okay.
exercise 5. Look, read, and write. Use words from the box. Okay, and we look in your workbook and read your answer. Starting the number 1. The kite.
The kite is
The kite is the kite is what?
is mine.
Is it mine? The boy is giving it to the girl.
The kite is her.
Yes, it's hers. Okay, write it down in your workbook. Is hers. Okay, done, Anvi?
Is
Okay, write it down. Is hers.
the kite is
Number 2, the kite is
the kite is our.
Is it R? Okay, look at number 2. He's pointing at another boy.
The kite is his.
Very good. Is his. Okay, write it down. Write the answer. Done? All right. Number 3, the kite is.
The kite is your.
Yes, the kite is yours. Oh, sorry. Or maybe the kite is mine also. It can also indicate that he's telling that the kite is mine. Okay? So it's either mine or yours. Okay, Anvi?
Okay, teacher.
All right. Number 4, Anvi. The kite is
The kite is your.
they are okay. More than one people, more than one person.
The kite is there.
Yes, the kite is theirs. Okay, write it down.
Em ơi, bật trứng ơi.
Mm.
Ơi.
Ok, thế thì đưa em một bán hàng không? Ok.
Okay, Anvi, are you done? Hmm?
Ở trên bàn ấy.
Hello, Andy. Are you done writing? Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, very good. All right, now let's move to exercise 6. Read, circle the correct answer. Okay, let me hear your answer. For example, number 1, where's my hat? Oh, I see. It. Because hat is a thing. So the answer is it. Okay, what is your answer to number 2? Where?
Let's see. Hole. Hole.
Okay, can you
I
read?
can see her.
I can see her letter.
Where my sister? I can see her.
Okay, letter C. Very good. Okay, how about number 3?
One cooking. Can you give? Can you give?
Can you give?
Me a cookie, please?
Very good. Letter? What's your answer? Letter A. All right. Do you have your answer in your workbook, Andy? Yes. Do you have the answer in your workbook?
Yes.
All right. Okay, number 4, Andy.
I like my friends.
I like
I
to
like
play.
to play with them.
Very good with them. Okay, friends. Plural, more than one person. The answer is letter C, with them. Okay, number 5.
Do you see my bottle,
Brother.
brother? I can see. I can. I can see him.
Okay, letter B. I can see him. Okay, brother is a male. Him. All right. Done. Okay, and the number 6.
Hello, hello, Alex. And
Hello, Alex.
hello, Alex. And wait. And
And Maria.
and Maria
I have.
have cooking for. I have cooking for.
Hello, Alex and Maria. I have cookies for.
you.
Okay, very good.
You.
Letter B for you. All right, last one.
My friend, and I want to play a board game. You can play uh with
My friends and I want to play a board game.
them.
Wait, is it with them? From the word my friends and I means you are talking about yourself. my friends and I. It means my friends and me want to play a board game. You can play
With
with,
you.
no,
You.
with,
Us.
with us. Okay? You can play with us. My friends and I want to play a board game. You can play with us. Or you can come with us. Very good. Okay, now. Okay, turn the page on Unit 1, the world of work. Vocabulary 1, Andy.
Okay.
Okay, look and write. A firefighter. You will
A
going to choose.
firefighter.
Very good. You will going to choose your answer from the given words in the box. Okay? For example, a firefighter.
Mai con về á. Mai con về á. A
Okay.
firefighter.
Okay, how about the second picture? What is his profession? What do you think is his profession? Okay, kindly read your answer in your workbook. It is your homework
A bus
before.
driver.
Very good, a bus driver. Okay, how about the third picture? Mhm.
Okay.
What is your answer for the third picture? You will going to choose your answer from here, Anvi. From here and from here. Huh? What do you think? Is his okay, what? A
Outside in
scientist. Scientist.
scientist.
Okay, write your answer. Number 1 is a bus driver. Number 2 is a scientist. Okay, write it down. Tell me when you're done. When you're finished, okay?
Also, and also,
A nurse. Very good. A nurse. Okay. Did you write it down? A nurse. Okay. Repeat after me and be a nurse.
okay.
Okay. How about her?
A chief.
Chef. It's chef.
Chief.
Okay. Chef.
A chef.
Chef. Okay, the sound is like this. Chef.
A
Chef.
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 Okay.
Chef.
Chef. Very good. Okay. A chef. Okay. How about her? What is her profession?
So,
A
doctor.
very good. A doctor. Well done. Okay, write it down. A
Teacher, can
doctor.
I go to Teacher, can I go to toilet?
Okay, go ahead, Andy. Okay, welcome back, Andy. Uh, all right. How about this picture?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
um, farmer,
A farmer.
a
Okay,
farmer,
write it down. A farmer. Okay, how
uh,
about her? A police
a police,
officer.
a police officer,
Okay, write it down, Andy. Mm-hmm. All right.
uh, a vet.
Well done. Very good. A vet.
Okay,
Okay, can you read your answers again? Hmm?
bus driver, a bus driver,
Very good. A scientist.
A scientist. A nurse.
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 Okay.
Nurse. A chef.
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 Very good. Okay.
A doctor.
A
A farmer. A police officer.
and
A vet.
yes, very good. And a vet. All right, well done, Anvi. Okay, since we don't have much time, Anvi, we will going to finish our lesson from here, okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'll see you again on Monday for
See
our
you again,
okay,
teacher.
for our lesson. Okay, bye-bye, Anvi. Have a good day.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.